I'm Jenny from Ironbridge Printmakers. I just thought I'd pop on. We make 12 different standard sizes of gunning etching presses, and as well as the different sizes, there are lots and lots of different choices. So for example, you can have a 6.5 inch or a 4 inch stainless steel top roller. You can have an aluminium bed, or you can have the standard bed that comes with the press, which is a 3mm steel top on marine ply. You can also have a large round wheel, small round wheel, star wheel. The large round wheel or the small round wheel, you can have a handle on that if you wish. Runners, free printing runners and a blanket come with the press as well, which is absolutely brilliant, so it gets you printing straight away. You can have geared or direct drive. And all of our presses have got oil-like bushes in the bearings, and they are no maintenance bearings. They are absolutely brilliant. And every single time you use your press, as your top roller and your bottom roller rotate, the oil-like bush has oil impregnated in it. So it's in a sense oiling itself as you use the press. It's pretty impressive. We are printmakers ourselves, and we tailor make each press to suit you, the printmaker. So we find out what you're about, what you want to print, how much you're going to print, and we tailor make the press to suit you. We make on average between 4 and 8 presses a week. Busy times it can be more than that. We've been going since 1980. My dad designed the press before then. That was the first time he ever built one, and we've been selling them all over the world ever since. We've got beautiful printmaking studios and gallery here in Ironbridge, Shropshire, where you can come and print on the presses. In my studio here, I've got a geared number 4, I've got a direct drive number 3, and I've got a geared number 2 and a number 1 as well. And if you'd like to come and have a print and work with me to find the best press that suits you, you are always welcome. You just need to ring up or email and make an appointment. Also, if you'd like to come on a workshop, and no matter where you are in your printmaking journey, we are here to support you and tailor make you a workshop to suit you or your group. We can do workshops in anything from photopolymer, dry film, photo emulsion, all the etching techniques, all the different metals and acids, all colorgraph techniques, all lino reduction, woodblock reduction, or 1 plate, 2 plates, 3 plate, 4 plates, many as you like, and lots of different printmaking techniques, from traditional inking all the way through to viscosity printing. I'm a printmaker, practicing printmaker, so is my father, so is my husband, we have fantastic members of staff. My sister runs the printmaking, the printmaking gallery, and the framing and G-clay printing side of the business. So it really is a lovely family business. My husband builds all the presses with a member of staff, Nathan, who's also a printmaker. So it really is a lovely studio here. We have several studios. The studio that you guys come to is a beautiful gallery and studio right next to the River Severn in Ironbridge. We have our own car park. You can park for 2 hours free, and then we have to register you on the system, and then you can park here for free. You can walk down into Ironbridge, it's only 5 minutes. So it really is a lovely visit. We would absolutely love to see you all. Give us a call, give us a ring if you have anything that you'd like to discuss. As specialist printmakers here, we are very passionate about what we do, and we love to talk about it, and we love to share. That's really important, I think, as printmakers. So if you fancy a chat or a call, just get in touch. Thanks ever so much. Bye.